Morning, everyone. John from Popeye's Postcards. We're going to do our daily What Sold video. I apologize for yesterday's crappy sound. I forgot my little Blue Balls speaker. What's this thing called? Microphone. I had it on the floor and forgot to pick it up. I was totally wiped out yesterday morning. So hopefully today's sounds a little bit better. And besides, you didn't miss much anyway. Just me bitching about slow sales and hit postcard and all that stuff. Typical. Anyway, these are the cards that sold on March 28th on eBay. 19 cards for $275, so a nice rebound day. Had one sale over on DaleCamp.net, which is pretty exciting. I haven't had a sale over there in a couple months, and truthfully, I've not done much. I've not done anything on that site for months. And airplane cards had a nice like $159 day. So really, I'm over $400 for the day yesterday. But just for this video, 20 orders, $285. Let's go ahead and get started. This is North Hyde Park, Vermont. View of houses, street, real photo. Got this at the York Postcard Show for about 80 cents and sold for $22.99. Next, Atlantic Highlands, New Jersey. View of Water Witch circa 1920s. There's Water Witch. Yeah, for bird's eye view of Water Witch. $8.99 for that card. Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, Fort Pitt Hotel, 1910. TCRMS Union Station. That must be on the back. Let's see what that says. TCRMS. So it's, yeah, I'm not exactly sure what that means. Probably some type of railroad type of, oh, you know what? I bet it's trolley car. Maybe railway. I'm not 100% sure, but it's some type of railroad marking. But anyway. $6.99 for that card. Card's kind of in rough condition, but still $6.99. Benton Harbor, Michigan, House of David, a real photo. I'm not sure if House of David was some type of religious retreat for men. All these guys have really long beards and extremely long hair. There's also some type of train, like a miniature train around this area. But I think that's what it is. Like a religious type of roadside attraction thing. $9.99. Consolidated. Vol T B-36 Bomber Air Force plane. I have probably about 50 to 100 copies of this. Got them at the auction in August of 2021. $2.99. Actually, I think I took a best offer of about $2. Harrisburg, PA, the Penn Harris Hotel Esquire restaurant for men. No women allowed. I think that says on the back here. This popular haven for the sterner sex is now open to the ladies. Oh, after 6 p.m. Jesus. $8.99. I don't think that'd fly today. Pretty sure of it. Next one, I had a person come in and buy, I think, 4 or 5 Betterton, Maryland cards. And as I was packing them, I'm like, geez, I priced this one high for really a poor condition card. It has a nice, huge crease, like they just folded the postcard. It's in poor condition, but the person still paid $9.99. Betterton, Maryland, 1920s view of Bayside Inn. I'm not sure if I put this as one of my beach town bolos or not. I'll link that up on top, and you can watch for yourself. 1134 for that card also has some creasing. Next, Betterton, Maryland, Scenic Greetings from Betterton, Maryland. So, again, just one of those generic scenic greetings that could be for somewhere in Iowa or Kansas, and they just print the name of the town on the bottom. $13.49. I always pick these up for a quarter. I think you should too. Also, Betterton, Maryland, Owens Cottage Inn Hotel. Has some paper loss on it. And it sold for $18.24. So it was like a 40 some odd dollar order. Sold a book, 1940 dentistry book, accepted dental remedies, dental drugs, materia medica. Probably could say dental a couple more times. $11 best offer. It's just a little book. It's not very big at all. Yeah, so $11. Anybody want to buy a whole crap ton of dental books? I'll let them go for $4,000. You have to come and get them and have a work crew. But I'd get rid of. I have like 150 banker boxes full of dental books just like this. Yeah, let me know. $4,000, all yours. Come and get them. This is Wisconsin Gruss Us, which is German, like greetings from Milwaukee, Wisconsin. Pretty damaged card. I've had it up for 8-9 years or so. Finally sold on a best offer of $5. Fort Worth, Texas, Continental Trailways bus station. This also came from that auction lot from August of 2021. It says I only have one copy. I bet I probably have another 15 to 20. No, I took a best offer. I think it was $5. This is a dealer advertising 1958 Dorsey low bed machinery tractor trailer semi truck. And there's no specific dealer, but it's like a dealer advertising card. Anyway, $14.99. Same buyer bought this. Indianapolis Motor Speedway, air view of racetrack circa 1950s. Pretty sure it doesn't look like that anymore. Probably all parking lot. Let me see what I get for this. Got $8.99. So just for S's and G's, there's that. There's what it looks like now. So a whole bunch of houses in there now. Okay, next, Conneaut Lake, Pennsylvania, fishing, landing a nice one near Midway Beach. Some people like that there's actually postal cancels on the front. I don't know if this person does or not, but I've heard people say that they kind of like the look of the canceled postcard. $16.99 for that card. This is a 1-cent McKinley postal card, 1907, Jacob Hoffman Brewing Company, New York. This is number 7. I probably had a dozen to 2 dozen of these. Got them all from the guy I used to go out and visit in Hawaii, I wish, Ohio. Probably got this for a dime or a quarter, $5. They're ordering beer kegs, $5. Hancock, Maryland, bridge over the Potomac River, real photo. Kind of a dark, the silvering really has done a number on this photo, or on this postcard over the years. Kind of hard to see. So anyway, $17.01 on a best offer. Good Wishes, Christmas Gold, Santa Claus holding baby Jesus, Holly. What did I say? Beige? A gold Santa. Would you call that gold? Gold or yellow? I don't know. It wasn't $39.95. It's probably about $30 or $32. Hancock, Maryland. This is going to the same guy who bought the bridge one. This is Potomac River, real photo. Sold for $13 on a best offer. Atlantic City, New Jersey, Bathing Beauty Daydreaming Interlude. And that sold for $8.99. Next, Cat Human Eyes, Blue Ribbon Bell Artistic. I don't know if those are really human eyes. I cannot figure out this artist. It's not signed, but I've seen this cat before, that face before, and I just couldn't nail down exactly who it was who drew that. Anyway, 12.24 for that card. Miami, Florida, Parrot Jungle, Susie the Monkey, 1950s. And that sold for $6.99. And here's the one sale on Del Camp. This is Korea, Seoul, Korea, Hamburg Line, America Line, SS Resolute, 1929 World Cruise. So like a market scene. And this is going to Italy. They've not paid yet, but hopefully they pay. So there you go. Like $2.85 on sales for postcards and a book. And like I said, my aviation card, which I'll do update probably over the weekend. Like $159 on that site. So pretty good day overall. Thank you, eBay. Okay, hopefully your sales have done pretty well. Thank you all for watching.